the conspiracy of
Bird related
hats.
conspiracy.
I really needed that $145 zebra from the 1960s.
We got a pair. I don't think I've worn this shirt since I bought it from the Aritzia warehouse sale. Good morning vlog, welcome to Saturday. I'm going to spin. We have sun. I'm so excited. It's sunny now. Oh. Tommy's made it out in the distance, but look at the city. The tide is so low. So crazy far out. Let's catch Tommy, who's now made his way around the curve out there. Because we're out for about 90 minutes, we're turning around one more time, and Tommy has kept going, but we're gonna turn and go back to Lionsgate back there. You can probably see it behind me. I stopped at the lighthouse that you can see the silhouette of right here. Say hi to the vlog. Ahem.
What?
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi, vlog.
And like dead ass silence. I was like, oh, well then.
I thought you said say hi to the dog.
You're like, I'm not gonna do that.
We went by a dog just a little bit ago.
He's gone. He's
I don't
way.
like that breed.
Yeah, he's way back there. How long have we been going for?
You're at an hour and 25 minutes.
Hour and 25, but I haven't done the full distance in the same way he has because I stopped to take some pictures. I stopped to talk to the camera.
I mean, you've been pretty close to it, honestly.
Yeah, fair.
You've probably done all but like, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes of it.
Yeah, for the 500, for the 1,000 that you did when I waited at the lighthouse.
Yes.
That was a big one. All right, so camera off. See you at home. You can't turn it off. Oh, doggy, hello. Home. It's 11 p.m. and I'm going to make risotto and smoothies. The amount of fresh fruit I picked up today makes me really happy. Risotto and a smoothie. Still so good.
Yeah.
We have made it. I didn't say what we were doing here, but our friends bought Tommy this day to meet some rehabbed animals. It doesn't look real, it's so big. There's our special boy. Hello. Hoot spell. Love it, love the hat.
Thank you.
Excellent decision.
This is a really fun photo.
That is a good photo.
It's the whole thing almost. It's the red one. Which one's the red one? It's your favorite? Oh, it's a turkey voucher.
Yeah.
What about me?
Do me!
Cute of them all. What's Alicia?
Probably the red would be.
What are we gonna guess?
Probably the orange
I
one.
don't think of the red. You're
Probably
red.
a snowy owl.
Well, probably snowy owl. Oh no, way further than
Yeah, no, basically the turkey vulture.
Yeah, I have a long wingspan for my height.
No, I do need to be up here.
Ice cream.
On the boardwalk.
You're like a
So
baby
sour.
given sour for the first time.
I think I like sour.
I mean, I've just been doing it some like eating limes and lemons since I was like.
Did you eat it already?
No, it's just
What's in
my
your mouth?
I'm going in.
Oh, the lime. You took a lime.
Look, limes are tougher. If I wasn't in decent company right now, I'd also eat the skin, so.
Boy. Hello, boy. Welcome.
Here he comes.
Here goes the boy.
We got one more? Yes. Oh my god.
Rats.
Sorry guys, I'm just as upset as the two of you, if not more.
I really needed that $145 zebra from the 1960s. Oh, or a $195 swan.
I was very excited and eager to go check out inside. Thank you. It's a howling wolf. He's so cute. I love him.
Oh shoot, I forgot a fork.
So I feel like that one is a cheesecake.
How about a cheesecake?
It's good. Love you. I'm absolutely drenched because it's pouring rain, like absolutely pouring, but I have pretty flowers and I have some groceries and I have an exciting lunch of chicken sandwich to make. Good afternoon vlog. It's it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to pick up the computers. I dropped them off last week and they were ready over the weekend. So lovely. And yeah, just get a nice walk outside because it's so sunny. So let's go. I'm wearing a pair of leggings that I haven't really worn much before, but they have the pockets and I'm not a big fan of these, but these leggings I think were $15. So I just ended up getting them. And I'm matching a little gray with the gray socks. And this is Apple Store fashion at its peak. We're going to buy me ice skates. No. Hockey skates. Hockey skates?
I mean, they are ice skates as well, but yes.
But not figure skating skates.
When you were on figure skates at Robson Square last year, you did terribly.
Those were not figure skates. Those were hockey skates. There was no front pick. There was no front pick.
You switched from, at first they gave you figure skates and you were like, I'm having a terrible time. And then you switched to hockey skates and you were like, these are so much better.
Okay, fine. But the reason we need skates for me is because Tommy got us a cool opportunity. Like our season pass, partial season pass thing had options to pick for different things. And you picked skating at Rogers Arena, which is a really cool thing that we're gonna do. You have to bring your own skates and your own helmet. They don't supply them. So there were other things to pick from. What were they?
There was an autograph session or attending like a closed practice and a media scrum.
Yeah, and since we're not Canucks fans, like it didn't really seem to make sense.
Yeah.
To pick those. That would be dope if it were for our own teams. Yeah, gotta find some skates though, because every time we've gone in the past, we've been able to rent them, but Tommy has his own. I don't think I've ever owned my own pair of skates, or I was very young otherwise, and they were figure skates because I used to do figure skating. So yeah, let's go find some skates. It's pouring rain and sunny, so maybe rainbow?
There's no house.
Yeah, no, it's fine. These are green. My goodness, this music is...
Oh yeah.
Hey, yeah! We got a pair. We did it! And they're only 60 bucks. He's testing some things. This music is so loud. Like can't use any. Can't use any of this one. Yay! And they're green, which I wouldn't have picked, but like they're unique key.
Yep.
Yeah. Look at that beautiful setup. Oh my god, I love this table and I love that the tulips didn't die instantly when I bought them. We're back. You saw what we bought from the store, so I won't need to review that, but Tommy got a helmet as well. And growing up playing hockey for him, I think he was just absolutely floored by how affordable the stuff was when we went. Like he didn't tell me this, but on the way back, he was like, hey, I really expected to leave today and spend like $400 on a helmet and some skates for you. And we left spending like 140 bucks on both of those together and getting like the skate blade covers. So that's crazy. There's art inside. I ordered some prints a couple of weeks ago. So I got 4 prints in total. I loved all of them. I had so many things in the cart because there were so many things on sale. Oh no. Some of them got folded actually. I still need to buy frames for all of these too. This one got creased here, that's annoying. No reason to harp on that. This one is stunning. I love her. It's got a little bottle. I guess it's full of rosé or water or champagne or something. And it's got beautiful flowers in it. And I love flowers. I wanna just like lean this here maybe even, because this would be so pretty here. This one I want to put in the bathroom because it's adorable. This is like a perfect bathroom theme one. You look good. I was hoping that this would end up in this size so I could put it on the gallery wall as well, because the blue here, I thought it would fit in very well with the existing colors that are up on that gallery wall. And the final piece, I love vintage cameras. I love photography. I like taking pictures. I saw this and immediately loved it because it's a cool black and white, and everything about it is just like so like chic and pretty. So can't wait to hang these and to have these, and I'm just super psyched that they showed up. I'm also ordering a few things off the GoPro site because I really need a couple of other pieces of tech for my GoPro. I'm going to a warm destination with my family in a couple of weeks, and I'm gonna ship this to my parents' place in Maryland because I'm gonna meet them at the destination. So instead of paying an extra $30 here in a bunch of fees and shipping and nonsense, I'm just gonna send it to them. For my cousin's wedding coming up too, I'm sending the dress there, and I have a couple of other orders that like duties are really high to get it sent into Canada, so I'm just gonna ship it to the US and pick it up when I'm there in a few months. Hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
I haven't filmed anything today because it's been a busy day.
Oh wow, this sounds familiar. I wonder where this is going.
Well, so last time I was standing there and we were around an hour later getting ready to go out and look for something. And it's been less than a month. I looked at the calendar, or I looked at the vlog this was in, and it was the January 22nd to 29th, like weekly vlog that I put up less than a month ago. And I was just minding my own business watching YouTube when Tommy came back in and was like, hey, do you notice anything different about me? I'm annoyed. And I was like, oh no. Immediately I was like, what could possibly? And then
Oh, it's me. I have,
and then
for the second time in less than a month, I have had presumably a bird rip a toque off of my head while I'm running and just leave. And I hate it. And last time I lost a hat that I'd had for a while, and my parents graciously sent me a replacement, which was very funny. But this time I lost Alicia's really nice Herschel hat, or our really nice Herschel hat that I liked wearing too. And I was just like, my running hat's a little damp, so I guess I'm wearing this today. Sure hope a bird doesn't take it. And a fucking bird takes it.
could you imagine if it had taken the same red hat again? Like,
that would have been, I would have preferred that.
because it was my really nice pastel pink Herschel hat. And I only have one Herschel hat because Herschel hats are like $25 to $30. So I bought like my nice Herschel hat that I had for maybe like 8 months. Like I only bought it at the end of last year.
Oh, was it recent?
Yeah, I haven't had it for, maybe not. I don't remember. But like, anyway. Oh, I think the camera's gonna die. But yeah, we're stuck in a conspiracy of
bird-related
hats.
conspiracy.
Yeah. Oh. I hope they still have that color.
I hope so too.
Yeah. It was a really nice hat.
It was a really nice hat.
I had it in the vlog a few days ago, so you guys will have seen it. Maybe even yesterday. I wear it a lot.
Yeah, well, not anymore.
Well.
Maybe you'll get an identical one. I'll get you an identical one.
Yay!
I'll get us all. Like I said when I got back, I'll get you all the hats you want. I'll get you all the hats in the world, and the birds will take all of them.